Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you winter short nail ideas you will definitely want to copy. Let's start our design number 1, floating tinsel. This minimalist look may seem complicated, but all you need is a striper brush to create thin lines. Celebrity manicurist Bettina Goldstein and Brilbird UK to create black stripes which she layered with silver sparkle. Let's move to style number 2, chocolate glazed donut. The glazed donut manicure is alive and well this winter with the latest chocolate irritation using D&D gel in shades coffee bean and spice brown layered with OPI chrome effects in Tin Man can. Let's move to style number 3rd, 70s Grove. Embarrass the muddy shades of winter with a 70s inspired manicure. Add a polish with metallic finish to play with texture. Style number 4, Alien Superstar. Something about these green chrome nails reminds you of the Grinch. Top things off with holographic stars to add an extra dose of sparkle. Next style is ombre glitter. Why wear one glitter polish when you can wear two? Split the difference with your favorite sparkly shades or go for a kit. Like Paintbox couples that pairs up two stainers together for you. Next style is holographic stripes. A single glazy line is like jewelry for your fingertips and makes your nail look extra long. Next style is campaign sparkle. Cheers to the most perfect shimmery polish we have ever seen. It's easy in semi precious tones in case you think so too. Next style is Cartlight's many mismatch. Nail art isn't going anywhere this winter, if anything, because it's the easiest nail art to do yourself. Pastels and neons definitely still going strong, but if you want shades that feel more seasonally, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.